Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create this cylinder warp text in Photoshop. Let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions, and color to black. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and click on Place. Press Ctrl+T, and adjust the image size. Then open the Layer panel, right-click on the image, and choose Rasterize Layer. Go to the Rectangular Marquee tool, and make a shape. Go to the Edit menu, Fill. Use these settings, and hit OK. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate layer. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Then add a layer mask to it. Hold the Ctrl key, and click on Layer Mask. Go to the Select menu, Modify, then Expand. Set its size 21, and hit OK. Select the background layer, go to the Edit menu, and then Fill. And the background and subject got separated. Go to the Filter menu, and apply the Gaussian blur to it. Select Subject Layer. Go to the Rectangle tool, and create a shape. Apply the stroke to none, and apply the color to fill. And decrease its opacity to around 45%. Click on it, and open Blending Options. Add stroke to it with these settings. Add the inner glow to it. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select All to change its font. I am using the placard font. And apply the white color to it. Set the text in the center of rectangle. Hold Shift key, and select both layers, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, right-click on it and choose Warp. Then select Cylinder. And adjust it through Anchor Point. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate layer. Press Ctrl+T, right-click on it and choose Warp. And adjust it to the other side. Again right-click, and choose Flip Horizontal. Bring the copy layer under the subject layer. Hold Shift key, and select both layers, press Ctrl+T, and rotate it. And link them. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.